Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have another hair extension video, you guys. Since I went short, my life is not complete without hair extensions. I mean, you guys see me, I change hair extensions every single video just to switch it up. I have another set of hair extensions from MAXFULL Hair Extensions. I have worked with them before, you guys. They're hair extensions. Mwah, chef's kiss. It is the best quality of hair you can get for the money. I tried one of their hair extensions, like I said before, the clip-ins extensions, the seamless clip-ins extensions. They are my favorite. I've gotten so many compliments when I wear those hair extensions, you guys. The band is so thin, so as you layer them, it won't get bulky. The hair, I mean, it's exactly like this one. I have the Halo extensions in the color number 1B. I believe it's off black. It is the 20-inch long extensions, 110 grams. These are perfect, you guys, for people with thin hair. I'm going to show you some before and after footage. You guys, the transformation is real. I mean, what a transformation. If you ask me, they are bouncy, they blend well with my short hair, you guys. They're so comfortable to wear. I can wear this for 24 hours and I don't care. They're that comfortable. They feel secure on my head. It's just a new me. What amazes me about this brand is the quality of the hair. Look at this hair. It is super shiny. It doesn't look dry at all. And oh my god, they are by far my favorite hair extensions. These are perfect for people with thin hair because if you guys try to clip extensions right here at the crown, if you go outside, if it's windy, if you're moving around, they are very, very hard to camouflage. These right here go down below, so if the wind tries to move your hair, nothing will be exposed. So this is why I say that Halo extensions are better for people with thin hair. So you can check MAXFULL's website, which is maxfullhair.com. Check out their Instagram, you guys. It's at maxfullhair. I will link everything down in the description box for you guys. You can purchase the extensions on their website or on Amazon. I recommend going for Amazon because the shipping is way faster. So you can get your extensions in like 3 days. I will link their store down below in the description box for you guys. So I'm going to show you the unboxing, how I applied them, how I styled them. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Thank you so much, MAXFULL Hair, and let's get started. You will get your hair extensions in a box like this, and inside you have your hair extensions and they come in a bag. Oh, I also have some clips, you guys. I haven't opened these yet. Oh my god, this beautiful hair accessory. Look how beautiful that is. That is stunning. Oh, I love that, actually. Look at that. That is cute. Love that. As I mentioned earlier, I got the Halo hair extensions in number 1B, 20 inches long. This is what they look like. Your hair extensions come securely in this little netting. Wow, this is so soft. The quality of the hair of MAXFULL Hair Extensions, you guys, is just beautiful. The hair is not dry. It is shiny. It is super soft and silky. The ends are not uneven or dry, so this is very, very healthy hair. I just love the quality of the hair extensions. You do have to cut them loose. I just want to make sure I'm not cutting the wire. So you do get 2 wires, which is handy. So I'm just cutting them open, right? Because they're kind of secured in place. All right, so this is what it looks like up close. This is what the inside looks like. So you get 4 clips here, and you can secure it on your head if you wish. And on each side of the extensions, you see how you get these little slots here? You can actually hook your little hook into one of these, whatever you prefer. The way you want to install these is you kind of want to have like maybe the fish wire maybe an inch or 2 inches from your hairline, and it really has to go low like so. Okay, and this has to be taut. It has to be flat against your head. You don't want where is it? You don't want like this type of situation happening. You don't want that. You can also just clip them in without the wire if you prefer. So I kind of want to do something like, I'm gonna leave this out. Like this. Clip in my hair. Just a smidge, and then I'm just gonna put it around there. Just gonna clip them into place like so. Alrighty. So I'm just gonna brush the hair out like so, and just try to move this so it's not that visible. Look at that. Ooh, I love Halo hair extensions, you guys. Lovely. Obviously I need to curl them so they blend better, but these are so easy to install, you guys. If you are new when it comes to hair extensions, these are great for beginners. I am going to curl them real quick. So I'm gonna put my glove on, and I'm actually using a I believe this is 1/2 inch. It is a very, very thin barrel, and because I want kind of like a tighter type of curl. Oh my god, look at that. So I'm gonna go ahead, and the secret to blend these short pieces, you guys, with your hair is to grab your hair. So this is my hair, and grab hair from the extension and just marry them together. So here I have some of the extensions, and I also have my hair. So I'm gonna curl these, and look at that. Don't get scared. It is a tight curl, but it will loosen up and it would look fantastic. Alright guys, so this is what the hair looks like after I just, what's it called? Curl it. So now it's all about just moving the hair around so that it meshes with my hair. Actually, I think I don't have to do much. Over here I left it a little looser, just because I don't want like a very tight curl here in front. So I'm just going to spray. I never do this. I actually am not a fan of this. but I kind of want more volume. So I'm just gonna go in and spray some of this. And that is going to help give me that volume that, I mean, what a transformation. So as you guys can see, it is blending nicely with my hair. Just play with these ones over here. Okay, ooh la la, look at that. Okay. All right, you guys, so look at this hair. I am so glad I got black color, simple color, because I have so many hair extensions, but they have like highlights or they have that ombre effect. You guys saw how short my hair is, how thin my hair is. It's growing. Obviously I have to leave it alone. I can't dye it just yet, and this definitely boosts up my confidence. I absolutely love them, you guys. I totally recommend them. They are so affordable, and for the quality, you can't go wrong. I have purchased $400 hair extensions, and these are as good as those ones. So I really recommend them. Check out their website, you guys. Check out their Instagram. It's all in the description box for you guys, as well as the Amazon store and their website, like I mentioned. So yeah, I also will link the this ones in the description box as well. Thank you, MAXFULL Hair Extensions, for this amazing collab, and thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to me. So as always, you guys, take care, and I hope to see you in my next video. Mwah.